guys, welcome back to another video, and don't worry why my mouth is not moving, and I'm with a special guest.
Ew.
Don't worry why his mouth is not moving too, his mouth is just, yeah. And today, we're gonna be doing a update, like doing an update explorer, just in case. I know you're gonna say it's already been updated, but I haven't did a update video in Animal Company for a while, so let's just go explore. You ready?
Oh, yes.
Let's go. I forgot, these umbrellas help you like launch, and you have to use an umbrella and a ray gun to like make yourself like you're like this. See? Like this. Okay, another destruction? Let's go there. There's also a new monster in the game, so that is cool. Right?
Oh, yeah, guys. Now we'll also be teaching how to do a money making glitch.
Oh, that's the new monster. He's just running away for no reason. There's a bunch of them. Kill them. Bro, kill them. Dude, I better not go into the chicken. It's like I'm angering the chicken. Yeah, it's like I'm angering the chicken. Now I've made him mad. I'm getting that egg, and you're not gonna stop me, Mr. Chicken. No, I'm supposed to get the egg. Drop that, sir. I meant to get the egg. Where's the egg at? Where's the egg at? Where's the egg at? Where's the egg at? I know it dropped somewhere. Good, you just saw it? You just saw like... Come on, I need the egg though. You got the egg? Let's go. Guys, we're going to the anglerfish cave for like a minute. We're just gonna... Okay, come here. Come here.
Blue.
You mean, that's Forest VR to you. That's Forest VR.
Let me just teach you how to make a money method. What?
Okay.
And I would just...
Put the egg in the backpack.
It doesn't matter about the egg, just come on.
I'll just throw it that way then.
No, blue. Bro, blue.
It's
Get a backpack?
It's Forest
Just get a
VR.
backpack
Can you
and
like
put
not call me
everything
blue? I don't like it. It's really annoying. But anyways, guys, don't call me by my color if you don't know me. I'm just gonna tell you my name. It's Forest VR, and yeah. Want me to get a flashlight backpack?
No, just get a normal backpack. Put everything in it.
Do I have to put my?
Let's try it one more time.
Yeah, let's try it one more time. If I make it, you're gonna cheer for me.
Yes, if I make it, I will be
And if you make it, I'll cheer for you. But if I make it, you should cheer for me.
Guys, by the way, if you ever do this, you can also get 2 rockets and put it in your bag. It works, but not as good.
Yeah, not as good. Not as good as it sounds like. my god. My left controller is shaking. That's why it's so hard for me because I don't want my left controller to be great. Okay, I made it. I made it.
You do need your backpack.
I know. I do. Cause the umbrellas, duh. No, cause of the hearts, duh. Or you want me to just launch myself? You want me to just do this? Just do that.
It doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Trust me. Just no, go at the same time, okay? Go at the same time.
Okay, 3,
We go together.
2. Oh, I almost fell. 3, 2,
3,
1.
go. 1.
I swear. Oh my. I told you it will work. I told you it will work. I'm dying, am I? I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Don't go down.
It's okay.
Don't fall.
Get in the yards.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
I told you not to call me Blue. You're not listening.
Sorry.
You got all of the hearts? Or the viruses you want to, whatever you want to call it. Okay, you ready for this? Wait, we're in the old map, are we? We're in the old map. We're in the old map, right?
Yeah, this is the old map, see? Oh.
Dude, why would they get rid of the map though? It's cool.
I know. Bro.
Yeah, do you miss these do you miss this? Do you miss when did you first play this? July?
No.
You played it in August, didn't you?
Yeah, August.
I played it in August 24. It was old. I had the old hands. You know the old hands?
Yeah, with the old hand.
No, they were not terrible. They were awesome. I did not like it, but I did not like it when I did like it because it kind of reminds me of the Monkey Mischief hand. You know, the old hand. Okay, you got many hearts, right? You got so many hearts, right? Right.
No, I fell, so I didn't get any.
Don't let the ray gun. Wait, don't let it. No, wait, I'm gonna die. Ray gun.
Alright, so.
Wanna do this? You wanna do this? Sell this thing. I told you to not call me that.
Let me tell you a video. I'm in part. Bro, guys, there is another sewing machine, by the way.
Yeah, it's over there. Yeah, they added 2 machines. Now it's right there. It's way over there.
Yes, right there, as you can see. Yeah. Alright, come on first.
You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to.
I will.
Yippee! Okay, we're going to the anglerfish cave. Just for no reason.
Oh, bro, over here's easier.
I know. Dude, but what they don't know is when the chickens go into the dark, they become scary. Their eyes are red.
They do?
Yes, they
I
do.
didn't know that.
Trust me. But when you shine the flashlight at them, they become normal. So. Oh, there's another chicken. Oh, they kill you, right? They kill you, right? I don't think they do. They don't. Look, no. I get close to them.
No, bro, run. Angry. There's angry right there.
Don't worry. I will get away with my ray gun. Where? Bro, I did alert him, but I did alert him. But I got away, so yay.
Can we just go through the easy way? Come on.
I need to wait until the angler comes. They do kill you. They do kill you. They do kill you.
They do. They don't even get close enough.
I guess it's because the AI thing's broken.
Bro, come on, Blue.
Oh no. The angler.
This way.
I'm just gonna alert it. I don't know, for no reason. Blue, by the way. Ow, frick. God. Dude, at least I made it though.
Where's the ark? I'm back to spawn.
Okay, I'm getting my ray gun though. Did you saw me out there?
Bro, Blue, come on.
I'm gonna alert this dude.
Where's the ark to spawn? One more. Just one more. You saw him, right?
saw him, right?
Yeah, you did. Come on.
Wait, you want me to launch you?
What?
Launching time. Up.
No, don't. You have to put everything in your bag.
Anyways, guys, that was the end of this video. Make sure to go subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh.